Assalamu alaikum Gambia Force albadi mala muhajjis wane ngal be konton ka fola nyaton ko ngal konton yo ngani audio men for janten sainten ngi for janne pour ka to nyim formo jang molel be nyim formo to jang ngi la kibarol moy tatasi radio bunguto ko ka fu Gambia ngolel ko kamfa be UDP le UDP kamfa patrioti be mbalala be UDP alingata bar de mbalo fata ni kansulu le mbakale because ñinu to ñato ñu yefan sacrifice le ka West Coast la campagne femman tof kasiate West Coast la campagne femman kolea kasi ni sacrifice ta yera time bula idole le do ko tuje iko kata MPP le represent ka ke kansulu bar jam fami mbal kam biru wato al malon aser kany al kany même fo dañ mu kunni ngolati la fait dron pour ka même fallait dron barona la sulu koreo anala sulu koreo ha bi qudrati rabbi samawati wal ard وما بينهما رب العرش العظيم والله على بكاسينو gambe ankol gambe be alhalo mento bi gambe masibo men ko la bi na kelo nyanta ka ku ko tenet bari nyanta ka tambi lo la bake alim be ngamira dron mo mel ko gambia la economy gambia la fanko boytale andun toñale mo fanko la boyal basba nañ min tole banko la dalaso felenta kasarata na dalaso amam fenna fa kotake akata kayto takata funtungoti janning o mol kaf banko la fanko boytali ka kafu baro mo wolungo la banko la daraso fon fisar do manding barbi gambia la banko la daraso akasartale e ka minister men to mi ka fuko be baro kasara kan be kasaro ki kan baro masakuna o minister kilon lel beje fo bi e minister kilim bon dije ita refa nata ka fu minister kilon lel men ka leon ko deka bi du dem o mo kilon wolen sawda doron ita refa na ifana lota deka bo xamantene dafa pan already amul ben fita ku koy fix because chief fita bi be ngalon ne hu wala londol kan tamale e ko ayen ko he is clueless wala tara ko de jompute ka futama atela fo la be sino lalle kansul mbala fata tele mbakele pour que yatel kel doron jo as sagri got atel ka yatel sacrifice la doron ale la men jaaju jal kam kelo ke albe protest kam men na ko wala ntel ngana do ko kela fa banda after do la men jaaju saw ngamro information ya wala soto ko la men jaaju ning amando ko soto man sakunda kono la atato lo mo de UDP so UDP man MPP mal boy ndi damade ma sembede hani ba candidat même fango yalon ko MPP a sponsor je nata nyola we almost succeeded pour ka bonde abe damen na pour ka ayna la UDP ka pour que la men jaaju is a very good guy hardworking, a role in Kiang, particularly Masembe, Mobe along Wato, definitely. So ngaji ko MPP left ka useless, and useless because la minja la campaign follow. Alka o campaign men for the la min fana lo contest ale wala before this by election. La min ya fan sunkolo le dundi. Aboita la bankrupt down to the earth. Aboita. Nyim fula nyam fana the same day yawol ka la min jaju la. Han nyin solo ke kanate somale iniana Masembe. So UDP ngana homework mandanda maka MPP ke boyndi Masembe ke humiliate je kamalota ka like bar lamin jaju ngol fon convince no anyanta kana UDP. I'm not saying pour lamin vida fo comme ene sontale wala manson hani bari nga fatale len ko albe jam fami ngon almalo bara mangi lamin da mati molel bota UDP kununko kununko lo bota UDP bi wolel matel la boss nyolti MPP kono bi be do ko la top rank wolel kata bi tele bungolto na muga fika to but bun ko law malo ma I don't know how to describe him that camera wo camera guy na mo ko fitam bi Nafalenko, there is no trouble in UDP. And what was that time UDP la problem UDP men kaltra wala masibot wo masibo wala fele nyinti wala do fele nyinti so mba fala lenko gambe ko bravo alinga katanga na banko vindi mol men yalon ko kalen ko alla jata ken dal bunda man tatakan o ministre men fon mi yalon ko ka castigate ka fayen ko amam fen no amal do ko fon no bi ikata o ministre sama do ta ka newo ka fita ka konkon o ministre kel wala beje bi baro ma falen if defana bota iko tel bota parti do le ko tala itata MPP badi golo abe koyla star safuno mankala by the time baro balo ngako ma sibo le baka mantoro le baka he otuma ko ma jibe men ke da ya jamela wallahi I'm afraid membe kala baro lo be kana garaw lawte 10 times wala mi ya jamme bring kato fighter fano keta Friday ya result announce ya jamme da ma so sirim ala cabinet karta ndaw jibe fadla min fayda malamu anyway I would have married Sidin Jai or Borla Radio to Taring, Namanta Giates Jana, His Excellency, the President of the Republic is not accepting this result, will pursue this result at the court of law. So therefore, everybody is urged to go home and exercise calm because His Excellency, the President, Yaya, AJJJ, Jame is not accepting the result. The results are fraudulent. Therefore, we are not congratulating the president. In fact, he should be the one who should congratulate His Excellency, the President of the Republic, Yaya AJJ Jammeh, that 7 days Minister of Information, so-called. Look at how it happened. Baro Aynim Birol Membelo, they have never made any fundraising. This fundraising is one of the best fundraisings. One of the biggest fundraisings. What a lie, fallacy. What a deception. MPP. Yawo biro lo nyadile. Who knows it? Yawo biro yawo lo nyadile. Yakuro instrumentole. Sidinjai Kafu transparent. MPP is transparent. What transparent are you talking about? Who are you fooling there, my brother? MPP, atel council, you are already a sacred god. You atel sacrifice le fa pareta. Ning haju bala, alala haju topoto. And dumbal ojla has young people of this country. Alinga kada backing na could decide so masining na future. Alinga deciding for one. Alinga participate political with integrity. Ninga okadra benna falale. Albenna falale. Ning membe keriting alko jam falemu. Ha! Barali mira fana MPP fana fa lo to jam fale kang. It was not based on good intention among MPP Londi. It's because of greed for power. Well, MPP Londi. And wherever there is greed for power, what happened at the end of the day will be betrayal. You are only taken for the cause of somebody. So because Omario he never needs you anymore. But at the end of the day, the ball is in your own courts. But I believe governments will decide. And governments have already decided. Because Nimbanko Bikolea Nimbanko Mobile a debt of over 120 billion Gambian dollars. Wole Julobe Gambia Kamola. Julobe Gambia Kamola be will Dalaso billion more. Wole Julobe Gambia Kamola. Many Kafon Gambia economy a boitale, a collapsale, Baro Dekabi do them. The mahe baro joge fofunono mekelo la ngabaro ngaji baro boje because baro munuko melika fango baro is clueless, knows nothing. Be wolel kata ko tel ka baro defend. Do you think that is genuine? It's not genuine because ya fale ko if you want to have a job for yourself you only need to pray one sentence of praising baro ya baro jaydro one sentence to at the end of the day in the morning you will have your letter of appointment. Many of onu kunum eko Baro ni lefte do ko solo jedorong ajayi dorong ya find dorong Mr. President you are an angel, you just my friend you are prophet, you are a prophet. Melika neo find dorong at the end of the day in early morning you'll just see on your inbox that my brother you are hired to be Minister of Information or you are hired to be a presidential advisor, you are hired to be an ambassador. Wo molu meni alon ko baro is clueless milele of kunum. Today where are they? They just made one sentence of praising Barrow. Others, when the budget was presented at the National Assembly, the minister they were criticizing, they all of a sudden they jump and say, "Oh, that budget was one of the best budgets Gambia government has ever tabled before the National Assembly." My brothers, this country is a joke. ha e kalen go nyimba ko la budgeto biri taka da man sakunda ko le taka do ko soro jetro ya mune fali isa undal do wala la kidin doro biri budgeto president national assembly kalen ko budgeto a nyumman president national assembly e ko budgeto ne man president national assembly Gambia Allahu akbar ministre kilo me yalan ko ka kastige de ka mana abdul bana maraba joto economy la karola e mam fellong at fen fana lonno la fotek amanu atano la koteke o ministre ni biro bo jodo president because fana la taka subodo kuntuje la muro diata Allahu akbar he badibule diata go Badibu is a sweet region in this country, my brother. They are the one who can turn 360 degrees. Hey, Gambia, is this the country we call home? Now, honey. Honey. Malala. A country that once in years, people are very proud to call Gambia a home because it was described as the smiling coast of Africa. Today, it's a crying home of Africa. It's a crying home of Africa. People struggle. Salary men sort of karo konola. Was salary you cannot even get them the food they want to put on the table. It's pathetic. Abalafa a country that was known for Ninana Kombo de Molka Fengo, Itara Nyoya, Kombo Subo, Nyo. B, to have that access to that fiscal, B, you have to go and then have like $1,000 to have that quality fish. Nyo me yalan ko kuni kaso no $100 is $200 is B ni man dala so wuli kilimbondi. Ebe ko nyo soto no kadomo. Just only 8 years. Wole ka falen ko ka fanyi banko Cairo beje. Meta ka falen ko. Nkayen ko peace is not only in the absence of war. No. Amanke do ni mo la kido la nyoko ka mo nyo fa woda mala mu Cairo ti. Hani kordatio Cairo tala korda kono la na wul tafano keta ala dimbala be do morunda menna ama soto no porkadio dimbala o banko ko wokko da Cairo tarno korda kolla wokko da be sato men kolla Cairo tarno sato kolla wala family be kala nyaadile so nyim banko be wonyale bi mo le ka wuli bi they cannot even afford a fish money for their family iboka dépenses no porkadio la family la o mo be banko kambia ajama ba o banko ndel ka fo wole na banko ba. Is that the country we are calling home? We are calling a peace country? Peaceful on what aspect? Because people are not creating uprising. Because citizens are very patient. And just relying on what? Ikafu ala waratale. Wallahi to nyam ala waratale. Ha. Andu ala nin sabar lalemu. Yajira dol ka moja nimol ko ala waratale. Dol ka fo hani alin kana fo ala. Wallahi ala waratale. Ala la kelo naka ke. Abuka mo nyininka. Wati jumalemu. Dula jumalemu. And then lunyo malemu. Ala kala kelo ke adeta nyamenna wallahi yafalu ma yurid ala ateleka doko ke mendi ateleka ko ke mendi atay idha arada shay'an fa inna ma yaqulu lahu kun wallahi fayakun ya jamme aya besu to jang fako in fact na molje me yalon ko they are instigating this and that here he is going to dig 6 or 9 feet and bury them 6 to 9 feet abe o dingol sin naka wol kawo molta ke bade hakke he is having confidence in himself that abetarani mako kan for million years nobody can take him out at the end of the day only one Friday ya Jammeh said he have accepted the result and he decided to take the back seat. He came on Friday and therefore it was on Friday that Allah the Almighty God wills that he is going his presidency come to an end. But let the president-elect give him time to transit and go and sit down in Kanilai and continue his farming. I will advise you one thing. Don't joke with the peace, with the security of this country. Today, there's insecurity in this country. B, tanko mantra nying banko kanya. B, nyimbango tanko mantra nya. Mulki lale ya wuli, ikijobe farari. Badi ngolu. Alafu nying kansulo lienko, we have a country to build. Aspiring council they aspire for positions in West Coast region. Let them see this country at heart. Alafo we have a country at heart. Molbe metake kan kanafo kafo yenko kema nene. Ali alafo ye fanyi nkaba. Wo molbe no mintolo kunum brite be contest la place Allah. Ali ye fo ye Gambia je. Ninga Gambia jidrong. My brothers, even if you are not elected in position, my friend, you will be content with your country. You will be very happy with your country. You will not ask anybody why they betrayed you, because you will have an environment whereby whether somebody comes to your aid or not, you will succeed in your life. But why Bimbeteng? Is because our collective common future, that is about to be ruined, if not already be ruined. By who? Political opportunities. And that starts from Adama Barrow himself. B, 9 years today, no constitution for this country. B, 9 years today, there's no proper security sector reform. After the EU and partners spend almost 500 million euros for that sector to be reformed. B, as we speak, our farmers continue to cry without having their hard-earned money. Yakodo menta ya do kuila kunkolto. Na general B be kumboka ne masotuno. Loi kuto masotuno. Tankola bunda falindro benda nyenda kakeje. European Union, EU, yakodo men investigate. Asana dalas euro kodo wulike million keme luluti. Adama Barrow. Being on the headline that 10,000 Gambians are waiting for deportation. Adama Barrow kateko atia labor agreement will sign with Spain. At the end of the day, over 10,000 applicants apply for that. Over 10,000 passports were applied. At the end of the day, only 39 of them is going to Spain. Is that a country we call home? What do we fight for? What should we fight for? Do we know? Do we see this country at heart? Badi ngolungal kontongal tentungal jay. Ala barakal badi mahaji swan. Assalamu alaikum.